So hi everyone. Now in this video we'll see how you can do a case statement on multiple column, right? How you can do a case statement on multiple column, right? So you can see query on your screen. First of all, after seeing the query, you can let me know in the comment section it is a valued case or it's a searched case, right? It's a searched case. Okay, it's a searched case. वाई इट इज़ अ सर्च्ड केस? क्योंकि आपने वैल्यू कंपैरिजन नहीं किया है, आपने कॉलम दिया है व्हेन क्लॉज में, आपने कॉलम केस स्टेटमेंट के पास में नहीं दिया है. दैट इज़ द रीज़न इट इज़ अ सर्च्ड केस. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इफ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द क्वेरी, आई हैव सेट दैट इन द क्वेरी केस व्हेन सैलरी इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू 5000 and department number is equals to 10, then you have to say big boss. When salary between 3000 and 4999 and you are using a and operator over here, department number is equals to 20, then you have to say good salary. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में आपने कहा है when salary between 1500 and 3000 and you are using and operator over here, department number is equals to 30, then needs hike. When salary is less than 1500, then you have to say needs more money. And I have used else statement also over here. In the previous query, in the searched case, I have not used the else statement, but here I have used the else statement. It's an optional. Else no comment. तो अगर कोई भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रही है इनमें से, और अगर वैसा कोई वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट करता है जो कि यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है, then you have to print no comments. Every case statement must be having an end statement with the column name. What is the column name over here? The column name is comment on salary from EMP table. Let me select and let me run the query. So you can see that just we can do a cross check whether it is working perfectly fine or not. So salary is 5000 greater than or equals to 5000. So salary is 5000 and department number is equals to 10. Both the conditions are getting satisfied. What is the meaning of and operator? I hope you understood the meaning of and operator. Both the condition should get satisfied, then only it will print this big boss. So you can see big boss over here, right? Now here you can check for this 2850. It is coming in which condition? 2850. 2850 is coming over here. And I'm saying and department number 20, then you have to print good salary. So I think 2850 is coming in this bracket, right? 2850 is not coming in this bracket. 2850 is coming in this bracket from between 1500 and 300 and department number is equals to 30. अगर दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड होता है तो यू हैव टू से नीड्स हाइक. यू कैन से और यू कैन सी नीड्स हाइक, राइट? नो कमेंट कहाँ पे प्रिंट हुआ है एक बार वो चेक कर लें, बिकॉज नो कमेंट आई हैव गिवन इन द एल्स कंडीशन. सो अगर 2450 है और अगर डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 10 है, ये कंडीशन बन रहा है यहाँ पे. 2450 इज कमिंग इन विच ब्रैकेट? 2450 is coming in this bracket. 2450 is coming in this bracket, and here it is saying department number is equals to 30, but here it is department number 10. That means यहाँ पे कोई भी कंडीशन इस दोनों कंडीशन को मैच नहीं कर रहा है, तो यू हैव टू से नो कमेंट्स, एंड दैट्स द रीजन यू आर सेइंग नो कमेंट्स ओवर हियर. देयर इज वन मोर नो कमेंट. 2975 एंड डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 20, दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन जो है वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रहे हैं. दैट्स द रीजन वी आर सेइंग नो कमेंट्स, राइट? So that's how you can work on the case statement on multiple column, right? I can say when salary is greater than or equals to 5000 and department number is equals to 10. It can be any other column also. It's not mandatory that I can use only department number column over here. Whatever combination you want to place over here in the case statement, you can place it and then print whatever value you want to print. Remember one thing, ये जो पूरा कोड है, this is only a single column. This is only a single column. Which column is this? It is a derived column. It is not an existing column. Existing column होगा आपके ये और ये. These 4 columns are your existing column, right? And this column is your derived column, right? This column is your derived column. So I hope you understood this concept. See you in the next video.